Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your favorite photographer Divan Sasuko. So on this video I'm going to show you guys how to change this car color to another unique color. So without wasting much time, let's just get to it. So on this particular video I'm going to use the hue and saturation. So after clicking the hue and saturation, I'll now come to this picker right here and I'll pick the color which I want to change, so which is the overall color here. So I'll just pick one part of it, then I'll now come to the hue, then I'll just type in 125. So after typing that, you can see everywhere is now another color. So I'll now come to the layer mask. I'll now pick a brush tool, then I'll reduce it. So I'll now come and take this part out of it so it can look really real. So after taking that part out, we are good to go. You can see this is the easiest way you can change the color of a car. So thank you guys for watching this video. I hope it was helpful. Please, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel for more amazing videos. But for now, bye. See you in the next video.